If your Instagram repost button is missing, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap on it. Then open your Instagram app and check if the repost button appears on any reel or post. If it's still missing, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. After that, scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Sharing and Reuse. Now here, make sure Repost on Posts and Reels is toggled on. And if you still don't see the repost button, try logging out and logging back in, or even uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. This often refreshes new features. Follow these steps and your Instagram repost button should be working properly again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.